Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, there's a cop right behind him.
Surprise, motherfucker.
You see it? Hey man, say man, it's your boy Ryan, man. In this video, we in downtown Inglewood at like 2 in the morning. I don't know how we got here or what we're doing here, but this is the whip. We're just driving around, seeing what's going on. We just got some Taco Bell. Shoot, let's go drive. Don't ask me why I'm driving right now at 1 in the morning, because I don't know why either. But I'm bored. I got an S550. We got insurance. Nothing about this car is illegal. So it's like, I can just be doing whatever I want. You know what I'm saying? Like within reason. We're good. We got gas. We're just about to cruise down to Inglewood. See the vibes. I should not be in Inglewood at 1 in the morning. Also right now, since it's like pretty late, nothing in LA is too far away from where I'm at. So it's literally only like a 14-minute drive. If I went at like 1 p.m. or like earlier or a little bit later, that shit would have been like a 30 or 40-minute drive. Just because traffic is so bad in LA. Just gotta take the on-ramp right here. Alright boys, I think we are in Inglewood. Yeah, seems about right. 2 minutes away from Taco Bell. You hear the cop sirens? That's a good sign. Wonder where they're going. Hey, low key for like 1:20 in the morning, city seems kind of popping. Alright, patrolling the streets, making sure my city's safe. Oh damn, slow down bro. No, I'm playing. I'm not even from out here. We just cruising. Okay, there's the Taco Bell. So how are we gonna get in? We gotta do a quick little drive-through. Oh shit, hella close. No cap. Got a little Bentley right there.
What can I get for you?
Can I get 2 cheese, bean, and rice burritos?
Give me 1 second, just a second.
Alright.
What was that again?
And then can I have no beans on both of them?
No beans?
Yeah, no beans.
Okay.
And then can I have nacho fries, please?
Anything else for you?
Oh, that's it.
Have a good one.
Thank you, you too. I can't see shit. Let's see what we're working with. Got some napkins. Oh yes, nacho fries. Let's get the sauce, like right here. They didn't give me no hot sauce. Fuck. It's the best burrito from Taco Bell. Cheese, bean, and rice burrito with no beans. Just cheese and rice. Put the fries in here. All the way in there. You get some of the sauce. Oh yeah. Shit, hella good. I already know my stomach's about to kill me tomorrow. Oh fuck, you put beans in it.
No beans?
Yeah, no beans. I'll go back. Ask him for one with no beans. Can I have no beans on both of them? We at Inglewood. Alright.
In half a mile, turn left onto South La Brea Avenue.
What the hell? $5.28 for premium? Kind of like tax. LAX transmissions? Are we near LAX? I guess we're at Inglewood, the exact pin. Pretty quiet right now. I'm just trying to eat my Taco Bell. Oh damn, sideshow right there. What the fuck? You see him? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, it smells like rubber. Oh, there's a cop right behind him. No way, there's a cop right behind him. No way! What the heck? This dude's done. How did the cop get him? So fast. What the heck? That's crazy. Free my guy. He ain't doing nothing wrong. All right, boys, we just parked up. Poor guy got pulled over. Got the right order now. And they gave us our hot sauce and the fries. The fries definitely got cold. Cheese, bean, and rice burrito with no beans. Can y'all believe that? Oh, wow. The fries. Fries are not crunchy no more. Kind of cold.
A few moments later.
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
The hell is this guy looking at? What the fuck? He kept looking over at me. And he's in a Tesla. He's flying. Shoot.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Oh, y'all see the cops over there? What the heck? What they got going on there? Alright. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Everything's pretty quiet. Oh, that street seems kind of busy. Let's go over there. Oh wait, it says no left turns. What the hell does that mean? Does that make you bust an illegal U-turn? Probably. This guy's right there. What's going on down there? Shoot, man, what am I waiting at this red light for? I could have been busted this turn. Hey, look at this truck. It's like a nightclub. Ooh, low key, and then look, we got another S-Class, big baller. And then we got this guy just about to cross the street. You know what I'm saying? There's people out here just walking right there. It's got a yield. Best. Thurgood Marshall Justice Plaza. Where we at, next to a courthouse or something? Hey, what's the difference between this color and this color? It looks the same to me. Alright guys, I think this will wrap up this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if I should do more of these POV drives. If I should do less talking or more talking, because I don't even know. But yeah, let me know what y'all think down below. Peace.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the